Hello everyone, today I wanted to show you a new plane I got. I was really excited about this one because it's F22 and it looks really cool. So let me show you what it looks like when you first get it. So there it is. The control looks a little different from the other one. This one looks more like the glider one I had, but you have to glue the wings in here, and the motors are right there, and then you have some glue here. Well, anyway, you got the glue there and landing gear. But so let me get that set up real quick. So by looking at this, you can see it's flat on one side, kind of curved, and it's a little wider on this side. So I imagine they go like this, just like that. And this one has like a little thing right there. So I'm just going to put some glue and stick them in here real quick. Just like that. The slots are not big enough for the wings. I'm just going to glue them in there anyway. I just put a little bit of glue. If they fall off, I'll just re-glue them back again later. It barely fits in there. Probably would have been better if I would have clipped the edges. So I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. And this is the landing gear. Just like that. So that's what it's going to look like. It's got a soft tip. That's pretty cool. I'll take some pictures and let it dry, charge the battery, and we'll head out to the field. Yeah, just to let you guys know, it does have a removable battery, and it's 300 milliamps, 3.7 volt, so it's a single cell. And let me get I'll just plug it in here when we're ready. Looks pretty good. Hello everyone. So here we are out in the field, and we're gonna fly the F22 Raptor, and it's basically like the other one I had, except it's I think it's a nicer looking body. Let's see if that remote works. I haven't tried this one before, so let's see if it flies. Turn the camera around the other way so you can see. Let's see. I didn't bring the landing gear, so maybe I should have. Give it a little bit more weight. Okay, well, they suggest that when it dives down, that you bend the winglets up a little bit. Elevators. Up just a little bit, and maybe that'll give it more lift. Let's try again. That one I let it drop because I thought it was going to get stuck on the trees. Push up. Give it a little push up. It's a little nose heavy. don't know if I should go get the landing gear or what. It's a little heavy on the nose. Switch the battery like this maybe. Move it back a little more. One more try. See if this one flies. The control doesn't respond very well. Maybe I should lift it above my head. Doesn't want to turn. Issue with the F16, and that was that the motors weren't aligned right, so I had to unglue them and re-glue them back on straight. So I'm wondering if this one has the same issue. This one looks like it's a little crooked. You guys see that? Fly it against the wind. And I'm gonna turn right this time. Well, the antenna is also pointing to the side, so that might be an issue. I'm gonna point it down. No, it's too nose heavy. Well, I think I'm gonna go home, pull that motor apart, we'll pull it off, and then re-glue it a little straighter. Something wrong. It's right here. Go home and look at it. So anyway, that's it for now. Talk to you later. Well, hello everyone. I guess my GoPro cut off at the very end over there. So what happened was basically I gave it gas, it started lifting up, and eventually I let go of the gas and it just dove into the parking lot. Nothing broke, everything is good. But what I was talking about, I don't know if I got this recorded, so I'm gonna say it again, was one of the motors is it's not straight, it's not sitting out. You guys can see it from there. Which one is it? It's this one, I think. Yeah, I believe it's this one. It's just a little bit off. You guys can't see it. Focus here. Well, anyway, it's not straight.
as you can see the cutout. This one's a little bit straighter. So I'm just gonna pull it off and glue it back on. And I do have the landing gear, so maybe next time I'll take it with me. But I don't like using the landing gear because it makes it heavier and it causes drag. But also when I used it on my other one, the front wheel came off and I lost it, so I didn't want to lose these. So it did not fly. It did not fly right on the first one, so I'm gonna fix that. And they suggest that you bend the back up a little bit, so cost lift a little bit. But this stuff is really hard to bend, and it just goes back to straight like it was before. And one of the problems I think also I had was the antenna down here. It comes sideways like that, so I kind of pulled it out because I wasn't getting very long range on it. It was kind of short and it wasn't reacting to my controls, so that might have something to do with it as well. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that before I get back on here, and hopefully I get another chance to try it out some other day. But for now, it did not work like I was supposed to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video.